What we did, we connected straight. We tap into the, here, but it just didn't work, guys. I see I put some signals, type some stuff put in here. But Alright guys, today we'll be connecting this bypass device which used to do the towing, right? So how we connected the last time, because it's the first time I did it, I had no clue, guys, about this. So what we did, we connected straight. We tap into the, we actually got an harness from an old Honda, right? And we're trying to tap it in from here, but it just didn't work, guys. I see I put some signals, type some stuff put in here, but connected straight, it will never work. You have to have one of these bypass device, right? Because for some reason we do everything what we could, and nothing works. So today I ordered this part and I'm gonna install it. So let's see. So this is a Honda CR-V. So what you have to do before you do all that, you're gonna have to take the table out, take this out, take all the plastic bit out. Okay, this is my trailer. So what else? Take out the mats, right? And then you need to pull this out, this plastic bit. Alright, this is like the whole side, so you could get some space to work. Okay, you could take the whole thing out, or you could just leave it to the side like so. And then we're just gonna disconnect this. We're gonna find the brakes, we're gonna find the reverse light, we're gonna find the whole thing and connect it to the device. Alright, so today we're gonna change this device. See, luckily I got a spare. This one. Right, so I got a spare one now. Problem with this one, when I open it, you can see, I don't know if that was an overload or water damage to the indicators there. You know what I'm saying? So now luckily I got a spare. As I always say, 2 is 1, 1 is none. So got a backup. So now we're just gonna straight swap around. At first I thought it was this faulty, but I test the wires with the multimeter and it was okay. So when I open this bit, I find out that, hey, that's what this is the problem. So let's go ahead and swap it around, just as you say, like for like, wire for wire. Right, so we're just gonna change over the wires. It's a new one, so we're just gonna put green over there. As you can see, this was like this before. It was like that, right? Let's see if I could just, this was like that. So that's the one no good. So we're just gonna put the green wire back over here. I don't know, it could be overload, or it could be water damage, or just wasn't a good quality. I'm suspecting, I don't know. Right, so just gonna change it over. Right, so best to use a small screwdriver, like one of these, instead of these big ones, because they will be small enough to fit just in here. Right, so come on, focus. Right, so bear in mind, guys, this is actually live, straight from the battery, so you want to do this one last. Okay, so you're just gonna take this one out first. The green one is the indicator. I can't remember if it's left or right, but I know this is indicator. Right, I'm gonna put a diagram up The diagram should be up here on the screen, just right here to the left. I'm going to put the diagram right here. Alright, so just going to loosen these up so I could just easily go from one to the next. Okay, so just loosen these up. And then we're just going to like transfer the wires from one side to the next. Okay. Right, so first we're going to go for, right, it's like that. So obviously you're going to put the green, pull the green wire out like so. I'm going to put the green wire, as you can see, we took the green wire from number 1, so we're just going to put the green wire back. Oh, if it would stay in one place, then we could actually get it done. Guys, listen, everything's all over the place today. Don't know what's going on. We don't want to be connected. This is a joke, guys. Like, seriously, what's wrong with you? Anyway, right, so we're just gonna put, obviously we took this one from number 1, just gonna put it back over to number 1, and then the blue one gonna go back to number 2, and the yellow one gonna go to number 4 the same way. Right, so this is where you have it. So you connect it to the battery. This is a power and the plus. Right, so basically you take the power from here, you got a fuse in it, yes, so around here, go around there, go through here, along that line, come back down here, from here, run it here, straight back through the back here, through there, go underneath there, then sorry about the mess, guys, then come around here, and then comes up just under here. You find it just under there. Right, so this is literally coming from the battery, and this one go to the device also, which is just there, right? And then take it from there. Right, I'll show you the connections. So that's the connection from here, right? So basically all the connection from here, right, from the connector, go from here, around here, go through there, and go back up there, if you can see it. Right, so from here, go here, and all the way up there. Just go through here, right, and come back up through here, right, and that's where we actually do the connection. Okay, and that's the itch for it. Okay, and then you connect this bit to that bit. Okay, and that bit will go all the way down there on the trailer, so when you press the brake, yeah, the brake would work. Right, so this is my trailer. That's the reason why, yeah, that's a double axle, single axle trailers. Right, so basically, yeah, these are some nice lights. These are just the sticky protection thing they had in it. Right, these are like LEDs. You got these from eBay. These are way better than the regular bulbs. Okay, so that's how it worked, guys. So I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time, and yeah, there you have it. And that's my dog. Hey, What's up? Come on. Another thing, whenever you're using, make sure you use a good gauge, like really good wire, right, to power that. Okay. And also make sure you got a fuse in it. Okay. So this is a 20 amp fuse. So the bypass unit, this is what power it. Okay. So you go down through here, go down through here, go down through here, and then goes in there, right, as I said before, which is on the bypass device from there. Then all the connection from the bypass device go to this connector here. Okay, so from the connector back up there to the bypass device in here, and you get the power from the battery from there, and that's it.